so the first layers, I'm really just trying to take this away from the white canvas that's here and just get color down all over the canvas to start as my base tone, and then work from there and work from there more. So let's get after it, as the popos say. Okay, so now that we got a good amount of color coming in on this one, I'm just gonna really build this painting up. So here we go, we're gonna keep going. Now I'm gonna work on the background and kind of pull the background up and match it up with the figure. Keep working on the figure, adding more tone and colors in and all that kind of stuff. Alright, now I'm going to bring y'all in closer and get some close-up painting shots. Since the yellow paint is opaque, I put white paint over it to cover any of the blotches or any of the things that I want to get rid of, and then I'll recover it with the same yellow paint. Otherwise it just won't really go away. Like this darker stuff that was a sketch earlier on in the painting wouldn't really go away if I don't kind of give it this white eraser like before painting it back over. So I'm just going around and fixing up any of the really dark lines that I don't think I'm going to be able to fix without this. So just going around. My palette from all the years of painting has built up and it dries, and then I just kind of paint it back over. It'll be pretty interesting to see in like 20 years, that palette, if I keep using it. Alrighty, so there's the final painting done of Amanda Gorman, the amazing speaker at the presidential inauguration 2021. Super inspirational and amazing speech, and I was really inspired by it and wanted to paint her portrait in honor of it, and thought she did an amazing job. Hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what you thought down in the comments down below. What you thought about this painting, the speech that she gave, the inauguration, 2021 ahead. Excited for a lot to get better. Hope y'all are doing well. Enjoyed the video, subscribe for more, and I will see everyone next time in the Big Sam studio. Thanks for stopping in.